What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Cadillac ATS. This is how you replace the remote battery.
All right, so right here on the left side of the remote, there's a little small button that we're going to use to first pull out the emergency key out of the remote. So we're going to push it with our thumb here, and we can pull it right out just like that. Now we're going to turn the remote over, and we're going to need to pull off this back half of the remote. There's a little slot right here. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to stick it in here, and I'm going to pry it open like that, and that's going to open up the key fob here. Now you got to watch out with these key fobs. The chrome trim that goes around these guys, it comes off pretty easily. Okay, so we'll put that together when we're done. Okay, so on the back half of the remote is where the battery is held. We'll just pry it out of here, and I'll get a new battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Okay, so the battery is a CR2032, and notice it has a positive sign here. It's going to be facing down, okay, like that, where you can't see the label anymore. If you need a battery, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon, where you can get one of these batteries for like $1, so check that out if you need a battery. So we're going to put this, see how this comes off. We're going to put this all back together nice and carefully. Probably a little easier to do on a table than it is to do over the center console, but we're just going to snap the cover back on. Start at the top, work our way down. All right, and then if everything's all good, the emergency key will go right in and snap right in, and we're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.